Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to my Flutter app, Little Memer. If you are someone who loves meme, this app will let you take meme templates and edit them and save them directly to your phone. Let's dive in and I will show you how it works. So as you can see on this app running in this Android emulator on the right side of the screen. So once you open the app, you will see clean and simple interface. Here we Once we click on this start creating button, it will navigate us to the templates page. Here we fetch meme templates from a meme API, which are displayed for you to choose and edit. You can just scroll down and choose any of these templates. Now let's edit a meme. Simply tap on any template and you will be taken to the meme editor on the screen. Meme editor on the screen. Here you can add text at the top and bottom, adjust the font size and position. So let me just show you. Let me add some text like study. So to once we click on this text, we will see these options to change the font size, font colors. We can also change the background of the text, but and opacity of the background, but we don't want any of those, so we'll reset it and we can just drag it here, add another text, video games, and same we can change this font size, font colors, like this. Once you are happy with your meme, saving it is super easy. Just hit the save button, just click on it and it will save it to the your device's download folder, as you can see in the bottom of the screen. So let me show you. Let's navigate back to the files here, and as you can see here in download folder, you can see this meme. And so now let me show you one sec. So as you can see on the left side of your screen, this is the source code, and I will provide you the GitHub repository link. You can just use this code to add another functionality to this project and play around with it as you want. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.